Super quick video for today about the need for a fire extinguisher in your shop. If you don't have one, I recommend you evaluate your risks and then just go buy one. I'm working on the dust collection video, which is a much longer video. The tests I'm doing with batteries and jet fuel lead me to keep pulling this thing out just for the sake of being safe. So take a look around your shop, evaluate the risks. I have a lot of wood stacked up. That's basically like a dried up forest ready to set the house on fire, which is ready to set the neighborhood on fire. If I let a lot of shavings get under it and then I start welding beside the shavings, that's just a really dumb idea. So anyway, I weld in the driveway and I do a lot of things to reduce the risk of fire. A lot of things. One of them is I have a fire extinguisher handy. I'd recommend you do two. When you go shopping for fire extinguishers, make sure you get one that's ABC rated, or maybe there's better, I don't know. A is for combustibles like wood, paper. B is for liquids like gas and finishes, and C is for electrical equipment. So for about 50 bucks, you can get one that's ABC rated. I'll put a link in the description. I think it's a super smart thing to have handy. We keep this on a little shelf over there where we can reach it from the kitchen or the garage. And whenever I'm doing something that has additional fire risk, I keep this handy on the workbench with me. Don't pull the whole thing about like, oh, well, insurance will cover it, because that's just not right. Pay the 50 bucks, help your insurance company out, help you out so you don't have to set up shop again, buy a fire extinguisher.